Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Port Royal Seafood Festival upping the ante for their Sweet 16. The launch of the 16th staging of the Grace Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival, held yesterday at Fort Charles in Port Royal, featured an impressive array of fun, food and giveaways. Media personality and event organizer Jennifer Small shared that for this year's staging, the number 16 will be celebrated in a big way.
We are draw $16,000 at 4 o'clock. That is 1,600 hour. Don't joke with that. The fishermen competition, the biggest catch, will get big cash. Money I give like yo. In the Excel say YOLO bingo this year we start bonanza from 1 o'clock. Whole more variety this year as well. At the Grace Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival, we have the mixology with Grace doing all the wonderful, what we call it in terms of flair tending. So you see with the biking, we're not telling some of the other surprises there, but make sure you're early. And it's a Sweet 16 affair, so whole heap of nice cake and whole heap of niceness.
Services manager at Grace Foods, Angela Grandison Reed, shared details on the celebrity cook-off.
So we're going to have a build-up where we give our 50th anniversary special packages to the celebrities that will be cooking. So it gives them an idea because our secret product is going to be in there. Of course, you know that it is seafood, so we're going to be we're focusing on mackerel. And I can tell you the theme is 50 because we're celebrating 50. And the 16th anniversary, so it's 50 meets Sweet 16. So we have the iconic Burger Man, we have the effervescent Gary Allen, we have the saucy Debbie Bissoon, and we have D Burns from Ring Games.
As well as Triple X and Jahil.
And Jahil.
Senior brand manager for Grace Foods, Karen Mussington, shared why Grace is proud to be the title sponsor for the festival.
We have been sponsoring the festival for over 10 years, and it fits. It's a family event. It brings out the people of Port Royal. It's giving back to the citizens, which is what Grace is all about.
Come October 20, patrons will also be treated to a tasteful entertainment package with performances by Governor Ching Ching, Louis Culture, Nadine Sutherland, Dancing Dynamites, and more. Now onto the international scene, where J. Cole did it big at the BET Awards. Rapper J. Cole won the most awards at the BET Hip Hop Awards aired last night, walking away with 3 trophies: Best Lyricist of the Year, Best Featured Verse on the Track A Lot, a collaboration with 21 Savage, and Impact Track for the song Middle Child. Grammy-winning rapper Cardi B, Travis Scott, Meg Thee Stallion, and Lil Nas X were close behind with 2 wins each. Newcomer Megan Thee Stallion, who also won the Best Mixtape and Hot Ticket Awards, also performed on the big stage.
When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it, but I'ma tune in when he say he told him send me a pic cause he missed me. I told him send me a stack if he really.
Veteran rapper Lil Kim received the 2019 I Am Hip Hop honor and performed a medley of her hits and was joined on stage by Junior Mafia. The BET Hip Hop Award for MVP of the Year went to late rapper Nipsey Hussle. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.